crafty YouTubers? How y'all doing there? This is Star with H&S Designs Now, and today we're going to take these little bitty crystal pieces, crystal points, as you can see there, and we're going to take some 22 gauge wire, and we're going to make these into earrings. This was a little strand of crystals that I found at Hobby Lobby at my local store. And I thought, oh, those are cute. They were all really small, petite pieces like this, different sizes and thicknesses and stuff. And these were the two closest ones that I could find that matched pretty well. So I found that also my 22 gauge wire goes through these pretty good. So I'm using the thickest wire that I've got, that I found goes through them. And that way it has a little bit more sturdiness. Like I said, we're going to use... we're going to make these into earrings today. So let's go ahead and get started. It's going to be similar to how we did the hearts, the freeform hearts pendants, I guess you can call them. I don't remember what they're called. But it's just the crystals. So you're going to take just a section of your wire, cut it off. However much you feel that you may need. And you're going to find your hole. You're going to put it through. I don't really like the fact that this hole is so close to that, but there's not much that can be done about it. I'm going to bring it on into about the middle of the wire, what you can find, so you can always bring the ends together, okay? And just like that. There's your middle. And then you can bring them up and you can twist it. I wouldn't twist too much because these is crystals, you know, might damage it. I don't want to damage them, okay? So we see, made a little bit of a neck. Now with this, I am going to use my pin. And actually, no, I'm not. I'm going to use my stepping pliers, and I'm going to use the second smallest step, which is this one right here. Bring it right here. So let's see. This is how I want my earring to sit, okay? So I'm going to bring my pliers parallel, you know, opposite of that, okay? Now this part you don't necessarily have to do just like me. You can do however you want to do. This is just what I'm choosing to do. Okay. Bringing it around. Whoop, got to get off camera for a second. Gonna wrap this down just a little bit. Kind of flowy. Okay. So there's our little tiny bell. It's what I want for mine. Okay. And then this is going to come down, and it is going to wrap around a little crystal. Gently. Not too much. You know. Just a little bit. And then back on up. Kind of wanting to hide where my wire goes through. Just so it doesn't look as obvious, you know. Okay, and this right here is where I'm going to end my wire. So I'm going to cut it about right here. I hate that I wasted so much of the wire, but you can't really help it sometimes. And then just push it down. Goodness. There we go. And you have an earring. Okay, and we'll do the same thing with the other side. Move all this out of the way. And I know it kind of looks messy a little bit right now, but it will probably look absolutely stunning once we get it on a hook. So I'm just going to pull off again a section of my wire, about however long I think that I'm going to need. I'm trying to get about the same amount as I had before, even though I did have a lot of waste. But that way, I'm going to try to get them as symmetrical as I can. And I keep hitting this thing. I'm sorry. You would think as long as I've been doing this that I would know where my tripod arm is, but sheesh. Ha. Anyway, bring my wire ends up so I can find the middle. Get this to come down to the middle, about right there. That's close enough, at least, to being my middle. Cross these about right there, and twist, get them next to each other right here. Yep. Bail making pliers, second smallest size, right here. And then I'm actually real quick going to kind of straighten these up a little bit. All right, there we go. So they're not going to be exact matches, but I am trying to get them pretty doggone close to the same, if I can help it. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and take off that, and I'm going to wrap this on down a little, trying to keep everything. Ooh, I moved that and I didn't mean to. Trying to make it about the same way as I did before, which symmetry is not my strong suit. I don't know if anybody has noticed that, but it's not at all. Cut that off, and obviously, yeah, had tons of wire left over, but that is okay. Better too much than too little. And bend those in. I'm going to try to get this to straighten up a little bit. Come together. Alright, and then there you go. They're not half bad. I mean, like I said, this is not my strong suit, so you know, it could be better and it could be worse. Much worse. So I'm going to pull out my ear wires, and I can't take it off of that one because I've only got one, but for the moment we'll use these because this is all I have at the moment. I'd rather use the bright shiny silver ones, but I'm out. I have to go get more. And then like anything else, or you can make your own, really. I could have made my own. I just don't feel like it right now. And you hook it on. And voila. Yeah, it would look much better with the bright shiny ones. Beggars can't be choosers. You take what you can get. Alright. And bing, bang, boom. Now you have a pair of really cute crystal earrings. And I would almost dare call these watermelon colors. Man, it makes me think of watermelons. You know. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned from it. And if you did like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, suggestions, or just want to say hi, leave that down in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. And anything else I'm forgetting, I don't know. Oh yeah, I have a Ko-Fi page. So if you would like to help support me, my craft, my videos, you can check that out. The link will be down in the description as well. Thank you all so much for joining me. Love you, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.